So you've probably heard of it, 3 letters, NFT. It stands for Non-Fungible Token. If you are anything like I was before I took a deep dive into what it meant to buy an NFT, you might be wondering how this actually works. What is the point of buying a digital asset? Now, even though you might be foggy on the concept, there is no doubt that this new investment opportunity out there is catching wind. And with many investments, timing is everything. You want to get in while it's hot. And let's be real, my friends, right now, NFT world is hot. So let's sit down for some coffee, bagels, and legal. Let's talk about what it means to buy an NFT. I am Andy Contaguglia. I am the owner and the founder of the Contaguglia Law Firm here in Denver, Colorado. As a business owner and really as a human in general, it's good to be mindful of the trends going on around the world. And NFTs, well, it is hard to say really at this point if it is a trend or if it is a new asset class that will serve as an investment option going forward. But whatever it is important that you understand the ins and the outs and the legalities behind it. So exactly what is an NFT? Well, first, let's talk about what a token is. All right, the phenomenon of cryptocurrency and blockchain has really flooded the media and our news feeds, and a lot of people have made a lot of money, and they've also lost a lot of money trading digital currencies, otherwise known as digital tokens. All right, at the very high level, a token is an asset. And if you have a digital token, you can trade these digital tokens just as you would trade stocks on the stock market. Or if you use digital tokens such as Ethereum or Bitcoin, you can also purchase NFTs. An NFT, or a non-fungible token, is a less liquid version of a digital currency. All right, to keep it simple, it just replaced the word fungible with the word replaceable. It is a non-replaceable token. It is a one-of-a-kind token that can be bought and sold on an NFT marketplace. But what is it really? Well, any media or content can be minted or made into an NFT. It can be anything from digital art or a simple graphic. It can be a meme. It can be a short video, a song, really any type of consumable content that people can look at, read, listen to, or watch. So, if we were to translate this to the real world, the Mona Lisa is a non-fungible asset that could be purchased for millions of dollars, if it is ever for sale. The Louvre in Paris has dibs on the Mona Lisa, so I doubt they'd really actually ever give that up. But take any painting, a Picasso, Monet, Van Gogh, any of their paintings are one of a kind that are valued at millions of dollars. Right? It's the same concept here in the NFT marketplace, but instead of an amazing, beautifully crafted canvas of genius, it could be a cat meme. All right, for example, Jack Dorsey, the former CEO of Twitter, he auctioned off his first tweet as ever as an NFT, and it sold for $2.9 million to a Malaysian businessman. A highlight of LeBron James making baskets sold for $200,000. So how are these simple pieces of content being valued so high? Well, it's because people bid on them as if they would at an auction, and the price goes up without really any cap. So if you've ever bought anything off of eBay, it's a similar concept. People bid on NFTs and it ends up being sold to the highest bidder. Right? The seller can also come in at a fixed price and you can just click a buy now button and get your NFT and take ownership of it. Right? Keep in mind, you need a crypto wallet with coins in it, usually Ethereum, to make the purchases and cover any fees associated with the NFT purchase. But let's talk about ownership. Once you buy it, what exactly does that mean? What value does that cat meme add to your life now that you purchased it? Well, for one thing, you theoretically have rights to that content. It is yours. You can use it on your own website, you can post it on your Instagram, you can cash out and turn it back into Ethereum and then back into dollars if you want, or you can resell it and try to turn a profit on the sale. All right, think of it as owning the copyright to that piece of content. It is yours, and you can do with it as you please. You have the right to make money off of the content, or you can make it your desktop wallpaper if that's what you end up choosing. The beauty here is that there will never be a replication of that piece of content. Now you might be thinking, well, wait a minute, can't the person who made that graphic just make another one? Well, technically they can, and it would be a knockoff. Any person can take a picture of the Mona Lisa, but it will never be the Mona Lisa. So in our case, that specific cat meme was time-stamped, sealed, and given its authentic characteristics that make it a one-of-a-kind. All right, so even if someone replicated the image, it wouldn't be the exact same due to the digital makeup of the graphic on the back end. So if you own that NFT, it is yours, and there will never be another one like it. Now here the trouble lies, right? The value of any given NFT is solely tied to the aesthetic and sentimental perception of those who are actually trading on that market. It's actually impossible to gauge its worth as a long-term investment, right? So be ready for volatility and have an appetite for risk if you decide to play in this market. If you have any questions about NFTs, the ownership assumptions of crypto, or just need some advice on the proper ways to scale your business without actually running into any legal problems, all right, feel free to contact me directly. I'm always happy to be an informal sounding board as you continue to grow your business. This channel here is to guide you in making the right business decisions to help keep your brand and operations and overarching business protected for years to come. At the Contaguglia Law Firm, we deliver ambitious, creative legal and business solutions to the never complacent business leader so that you can feel confident that you and your company are fully protected. Hopefully this video did just that for you. So please give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button below. Let's get updates on how we can help you as we release new videos. For more information and resources, please visit our website,